Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Last weekend, I attended a conference on active transportation, and I was reminded of the importance of encouraging more Albertans to cycle, both for their benefits to their physical and mental health, and because it can help them save money and achieve the goals of our climate leadership plan. However, if we want to increase the number of cyclists on the road, we need to modernize our policies and regulations that are related to cycling. So to the Minister of Infrastructure and Transportation, what is your department doing to increase the availability, accessibility and safety of alternative transportation methods like cycling?
Honourable Minister of Transportation.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, and thank you, Honourable Member, for the question. My department is in fact preparing a long-term transportation strategy for review, and this will cover all forms of transportation, including active transportation modes, Mr. Speaker. We're looking for a number of goals, including reducing emissions, which cycling certainly does, reducing congestion, and ensuring sustainability and affordability. The bicycle, Mr. Speaker, is an excellent vehicle to get to all of those goals.
First supplemental.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Now, given that I was happy to hear that a steering committee has been appointed to help create an Alberta Bicycle Design Guide to offer municipalities guidance and support in developing cycling infrastructure. Again, to the Minister of Transportation, will the public have an opportunity to provide input on these new policies that may help increase bicycle ridership?
Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Well, the purpose of the Alberta Bicycle Facility Design Guide will be to provide information, guidance and engineering details to designers and city planners. Do I really have to be heckled about bicycles, Mr. Speaker? I really, I don't know. To promote uniformity in planning, design and operation of cycling facilities. As the guide is developed, there will be direct consultation with stakeholders, including bicycle associations and municipalities, Mr. Speaker.
Second supplemental.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Now, given that municipalities will be the ones that are tasked with implementing these policies and building local transportation infrastructure, such as the bike lanes which will be passing by my office soon, again to the same minister, what supports are available to municipalities to help increase the development of these transportation networks throughout the province?
Minister of Transportation.
Thanks very much, Mr. Speaker. Well, support for transportation and transit options for Albertans allows them to choose ways that they can get to work, school, medical appointments, the grocery store, and so on. So our government is engaging with Albertans about future transit investments, Mr. Speaker. We've just opened the third call for applications to Green Trip funding in February, and there is $130 million to fulfill the Calgary Regional Partnership's $800 million allocation and $285 million for other municipalities outside the capital region.